In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images into Google Calendar events. We'll go through the process step by step, making sure you can easily follow along and add a personal touch to your calendar events with images. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Google Calendar website. Simply type Google Calendar into your search bar and click on the first result that appears. This will take you straight to the Google Calendar homepage. Once there, if you haven't already logged in, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. Enter your email and click on Next, then follow up by entering your password and clicking Next again. This ensures you're securely logged into your account where all your calendar events are stored. With your calendar open, look for the Create button, usually located prominently on the page. Click it and then choose Event from the drop-down menu. This will bring up a new event window where you can fill in details such as event name, time, and participants. However, today we're focusing on adding images, so let's skip right to that part. After you've selected Event, at the bottom of this window, you'll see an option labeled More Options. Click there, and you'll be taken to a more detailed event creation page. This is where the magic happens. On this page, locate the Google Drive logo. Clicking on this icon will open up a window where you can browse your Google Drive for images. Now navigate through your files and choose the image you'd like to insert into the event. Once you've found your desired image, click on it. You'll notice an Insert button appears. Go ahead and click that. The image will now be linked to your calendar event, offering a visual element that can make your event invitation more engaging or informative. Finally, don't forget one of the most crucial steps. Click Save. This will ensure all your changes, including the image attachment, are stored and your event is added to your calendar, visible with the image whenever you revisit the event details. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted an image into your Google Calendar event. This technique can add a layer of personalization or additional context to your event invites, making them stand out. Keep experimenting with different images for different events. Thanks for watching, and we hope you learned something new and useful today. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tips. See you in the next video.